have a 3-bedroom here. Okay, you have a king size bedroom. King size. Let me take you to the rest. Then you have a nook here. Sorry. You have a room here. This is the size of, oh, sorry, just give me one little bit of light. So this is the size spanning the room here. We can't go into it right now, but you have the door here. You have a bathroom, which is gonna get touched up. You have a kitchen, beautiful kitchen. Stainless steel. And then you have a beautiful living room, king size living room. And finally, a room, king size. And then you have your exit.